if you want to know how to fix TikTok video not uploading problem, you've come to the right place. So let's open our TikTok account and let's say that we want to upload a new video. So let's click on plus. For example, I'll record this video or photo, it doesn't matter. So let's click on next. And what if you're going to click on post and the TikTok won't post it? So how can we fix this problem? Firstly, we need to leave this page right up here. So I'm going to click on error in the left top corner, click on Discord, then just close it. And from this page here, we just simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner right up here. Then just click on more in the right top corner to open this toggle menu. Click on settings and privacy right up here. So after that, scroll down to find report a problem area where we can find like report a problem feature. And from this page here, we need to find the necessary topic which is suitable as for us. So we need to click on videos and sounds right up here. So let's click. And from this page here, we need to scroll down to find some suitable topics. So we can easily use like video shooting topic, or we can click on other. So let's click on other to show you like how can we do this. And then just click on other once more. So from this page here, we need to click on view feedback or need more help. It depends on did you have some other reports. And then we'll come to this page here when we need to explain our problem. Something like this. I can't upload new videos. Help me, please. Please. And then just click on submit. And in a few seconds or minutes, the TikTok support team will receive our message and probably they will help us to fix it. So they will fix it from themselves or they will send us the instruction. So basically, sometimes you can receive this problem because you don't have a latest version. So in order to fix it, we just simply need to click on App Store or Google Play and then just search for our app. So let's click on TikTok. And then just open this page here, and if we have the update button, we need to click and then just update the latest version. And after that, probably your problem will be automatically solved. Or the hardest way, we can just simply delete our TikTok app and try to reinstall it. So after that, probably this error will be automatically fixed. So these are the ways of how can we fix this problem. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.